Want a strong, aesthetic full body? These 6 bodyweight exercises target your arms, chest, shoulders, and core using controlled reps and proper form. Stay consistent and train close to failure for real results. Let's get started. Decline push-ups. Decline push-ups are a powerful variation of standard push-ups where your feet are elevated on a bench or step, shifting more load onto the lower chest and shoulders. This helps build that sharp, defined chest line, essential for an aesthetic physique. Start in a strong plank position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your core tight and lower your chest slowly toward the ground before pushing back up. Aim for 10 to 20 reps for 3 to 4 sets, using a controlled tempo of about 2 seconds down, a slight pause, and 1 second up. Proper form means keeping your body straight and elbows slightly tucked. Avoid dropping your hips, flaring elbows too wide, or rushing reps, as these reduce effectiveness and increase injury risk. Chin-ups. Chin-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for building back width and bicep size, contributing to a strong V-taper physique. Using an underhand grip, start from a dead hang with arms fully extended, and then pull yourself up by driving your elbows down until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself slowly to maintain tension. Aim for 6 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets, with a tempo of about 2 seconds up, a brief squeeze at the top, and 2 to 3 seconds down. Proper form includes controlled movement, full range of motion, and avoiding swinging. Common mistakes include using momentum, doing half reps, or not fully extending at the bottom, which limits muscle activation and progress. Pike push-ups. Pike push-ups are a highly effective bodyweight exercise for building shoulder strength and creating that capped delt look. In this movement, your body forms an inverted V shape, placing most of the load on your shoulders rather than your chest. To perform it, keep your hands shoulder-width apart, hips elevated, and lower your head toward the floor in front of your hands. Then push back up under control. Aim for 8 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets, with a controlled tempo of about 2 seconds down, a brief pause, and 1 second up. Proper form means keeping your hips high, elbows slightly tucked, and moving in a controlled manner. Common mistakes include dropping the hips, doing half reps, or rushing with momentum, which reduces effectiveness and increases injury risk. Dips. Dips are one of the best compound exercises for building upper body thickness, targeting both the chest and triceps. By leaning slightly forward, you emphasize the chest, while a more upright position shifts focus to the triceps. Lower your body until your elbows reach about a 90-degree angle, then push back up powerfully. A good rep range is 8 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets, with a tempo of 2 to 3 seconds on the way down, a slight pause, and an explosive push upward. Proper form includes keeping your shoulders stable, chest slightly forward, and maintaining control throughout the movement. Avoid going too deep, flaring your elbows excessively, or using momentum, as these mistakes can strain your shoulders and reduce muscle activation. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a highly effective core exercise that targets both the rectus abdominis, six-pack muscles, and obliques, helping create a tight waist and defined midsection. Lie on your back, lift your shoulders slightly off the ground, and alternate bringing your opposite elbow to knee while extending the other leg fully. The key is slow, controlled movement rather than speed. Aim for 15 to 20 reps per side for 3 to 4 sets with a tempo of about 2 seconds per twist. Proper form includes keeping your core engaged, avoiding pulling on your neck, and fully extending each leg. Common mistakes include rushing reps, using momentum, and not rotating enough, which reduces effectiveness and constrain the neck. Reverse lunges. Reverse lunges are a simple yet effective lower body exercise that builds strength and balance while being easier on the knees than forward lunges. Step one leg back, lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the ground, then push through your front heel to return to the starting position. This movement targets the quads, glutes, and hamstrings while improving stability. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per leg for 3 to 4 sets with a controlled tempo of about 2 seconds down and 1 to 2 seconds up. Proper form includes keeping your chest upright, front knee aligned with toes, and maintaining balance. Avoid leaning forward, rushing reps, or letting your knee collapse inward, as these reduce effectiveness and increase injury risk.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content that actually gets results. Consistency beats everything, so stick to these exercises and track your progress. Drop a comment for what you want next.